Foreign real estate investors pour over $55 billion into American real estate each year, and it's not hard to see why. Thanks to its status as the cradle of globalization, buying property in the US has never been more popular, even for investors living half the world away. But with countless cities to choose from, how do you navigate the sea of options and find the perfect investment opportunity? Our team at NRI did some digging and constructed a list of the 9 most popular US cities for foreign real estate investment. We ranked cities based on 3 primary factors. 1. Average property costs. 2. Average rent prices. 3. Real estate appreciation rates over the last 10 years. So join us and discover the best places to buy real estate in America. And don't forget to watch until the end to find out which US city is most popular among foreign real estate investors. But before we get to our picks, take a second to press that like button and subscribe to the Non-Resident Investor channel. That way, you'll be the first to get notified when we publish new videos, and you'll also help support the channel. 9. Austin, Texas. Austin is the fastest growing city in the US, with a yearly population increase of 3.4%. In just the past 4 years, its residents have grown from around 2 to nearly 2.5 million. This influx of people also brought a rapid boom in Austin's job market. Home to tech giants like Tesla, Dell, and Apple, Austin offers high-paying employment opportunities that fuel the demand for real estate in the city. But what makes Austin so appealing to foreign real estate investors is Texas's absence of corporate income tax and its landlord-friendly regulations. If you're looking for a US city with a low barrier to entry, but with the potential for high returns, you won't go wrong with Austin. 8. Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte emerges as another excellent choice for foreigners investing in US real estate. Boasting Fortune 500 giants like Bank of America with yearly revenue of $94 billion and Lowe's with $96 billion, the city offers a robust economic landscape. With a diverse array of industries including finance, retail, and energy, Charlotte's economy remains notably stable. Evidence of this stability is reflected in its declining unemployment rate, which has dropped from 5% to 3.5% since August 2021. Experiencing a steady population growth of 2.86% since 2022, Charlotte has seen an increase of over 200,000 residents in the last 5 years. The city's real estate market has kept pace with its growing population, ensuring that properties remain relatively affordable compared to other rapidly expanding cities in the U.S. 7. Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, the capital of Georgia and its economic hub, ranks among the top 10 most productive cities in the U.S., boasting a robust GDP of nearly $400 billion annually. With a thriving real estate market, Atlanta offers abundant opportunities for foreign investors. The city sustains a strong economy, marked by steady population growth of 1.58% in 2022 alone and an unemployment rate of 4.5%. Atlanta also provides a relatively affordable cost of living compared to its offerings. The city is home to Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, the busiest international airport in the world that welcomes over 100 million passengers annually. These factors and Atlanta's vibrant tourism industry only add to its allure for foreign investment. 6. New York City, New York. New York City is one of the world's major financial and commercial hubs. Real estate in prime locations like Manhattan has high appreciation rates, making it one of the best places for foreign investors to purchase long-term investment properties. However, the city's high prices often limit access to a broader investor base, especially newcomers to the real estate market. This is particularly evident in Manhattan, where the average home costs over $1,100,000. While New York's unemployment rate sits at around 5.3%, the city maintains one of the largest economies globally, boasting a yearly GDP slightly above $2.1 trillion. Its robust economy, coupled with numerous job opportunities and the appreciation of real estate properties, continues to attract foreign investors seeking favorable deals and a hedge against inflation. 5. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago, along with its metropolitan area, ranks as the 3rd largest city in the U.S., housing around 9 million residents. With a relatively affordable real estate market, it stands out as one of the prime cities for real estate investment in the U.S. What sets Chicago apart is the fact that over 50% of household units are occupied by renters. Additionally, various property tax incentives aim to attract new investors and rejuvenate different parts of this historic city, including industrial zones, various neighborhoods, and commercial and apartment buildings. While the metropolitan area only experienced a slight population growth of about 0.2% in the last year, Chicago boasts a vibrant cultural scene, world-class dining, and renowned architecture that attracts millions of tourists. The city's diverse neighborhoods offer a rich tapestry of experiences, from historic landmarks to thriving arts districts, enhancing its appeal for real estate investment. 4. Orlando, Florida. Orlando stands out as one of the top choices for foreign real estate investment. The city is famous as a tourism and entertainment hotspot, drawing over 74 million visitors each year. With over 60% of households occupied by renters, it offers great opportunities for both short-term and long-term rental properties. Orlando boasts an unemployment rate of around 3%, approximately 0.5% lower than the national average. With thriving job markets and a robust economy, the city continues to draw job seekers and fuel demand for commercial, residential, and rental properties. With a yearly GDP surpassing $150 billion, Orlando is deserving of its position among the best cities for foreign investment. 3. San Francisco, California. San Francisco's real estate is highly sought after by foreign investors due to its impressive appreciation rate of 110% over the past decade. However, this substantial rate also results in high property prices, which may pose a challenge for many investors. San Francisco boasts a thriving job market, with major companies like Wells Fargo, Meta Platforms, Google, Uber Technologies Inc., Amazon, and Airbnb, headquartered in the city. Even though the city's average salaries are almost double the national average, relying solely on rent for returns may prove challenging due to the city's tenant-friendly regulations. Despite its high barrier to entry, the exceptional appreciation rate positions San Francisco as one of the best cities for foreign investment, especially for those seeking to shield their assets from inflation. 2. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles, much like San Francisco, presents challenges for landlords with its high real estate prices and relatively low average rental income. However, like San Francisco, LA boasts a substantial appreciation rate of around 111% over the past 5 years. For foreign investors eyeing real estate in LA, their primary focus shouldn't be on rental income, but on protecting their assets from inflation with the city's high appreciation rates. 1. Miami, Florida. Miami takes our top spot as the best U.S. city for foreign real estate investment. In 2022 alone, non-resident investors poured approximately $6.8 billion into residential properties in South Florida, with most of it going to Miami. Beyond its appeal to non-resident investors, Miami shines as a premier tourist destination, attracting over 25 million visitors annually. Because of that, this city boasts the highest number of short-term rentals per 100,000 residents in all of Florida. Miami's robust economy and job market further improve its appeal to investors. The city's unemployment rate is well below the national average, resting at a mere 1.9%. It's a prime place for anyone looking for reliable tenants to generate passive income. If you're already looking for your next real estate investment, why not get help? Non-Resident Investor is a one-stop solution for foreign nationals buying U.S. real estate. Our experts specialize in helping foreigners with anything from securing a mortgage loan to finding and closing the right deal throughout the U.S. Contact us today to tell us more about your investment goals. We'd be happy to help, or if you'd like to start investing in U.S. real estate on a modest budget, check out our video on the best places to buy a home for under $300,000 in America.